Hey guys, Knife Addict here. I'm gonna do a EDC update for the month of November. So got lots of new stuff in my EDC rotation. So first, let's just go with the stuff I've had. My bracelet, had that for a long time. Box wallet. Okay, I got a new phone. LG Optimus Fuel. Track phone, pretty cool phone. Android. It's a nice phone. I'm liking it that so far. Might do a review or something on it. Not sure on that though. Neck knife. M-Tech. How to do it one-handed. Says that's not gonna focus in. It says it's the MT674 440 stainless steel, USA design, handcrafted in China is what it says. G10 scales. So I'll have the review on that. Pretty nice. And the main knife, Sand Remove 710. Really nice, really liking it. Be doing a review on this in a little while. Just got it recently, so gotta test it out, carry it a little bit. So that's my EDC update for the month of November. Thanks for watching, guys.